This is DC Channel Guns. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. What up? This is DC Channel Guns coming at you with a gun video. Appreciate you watching. Like, share, and subscribe. So I want to thank y'all for coming over here today. Appreciate the energy and love. Appreciate the new people in the 2A community. We're going to need in the long run, people. Appreciate your comments and stuff. Letting everybody know in the 2A community what's going on in your area and stuff. Appreciate that. Support your 2A channels, your gun channels, people. We need all the help we can right now. And also, huge shout out to y'all that smash the like button, share it on your favorite social media platform. If you're not subscribed, people, hit the notification button. We appreciate you. And also, I appreciate the ones. Shout out to y'all that come over here every single day through the good and the bad, ups and downs. Nothing moves in a straight line, people. And I'm going to say it again. I'm going to keep saying it. Without y'all, this channel is nothing. So I appreciate that. And so with that said, we're going to talk about 2A business and stuff. Now, I've been telling you what I've been doing ever since in March, the pandemic and stuff. Firearm and ammo demand is through the roof. And a lot of these 2A business been making a whole lot of money. And so one thing I've been saying, if I'm making money so I can buy more ammo and firearms. So I've been buying these stocks, taking profit and stuff like that. And we've been going over that aspect. We got another aspect we're going to go over when it comes to investing. Now, you hear about your tech stocks and all this kind of stuff, but you don't hear too much about your firearm stocks and stuff out there in the media and stuff like that. You don't hear too much about it. Now, a lot of your farm and ammo manufacturers been moving to new states and stuff, relocating, expanding the business. They're moving from states that got a lot of regulation, trying to tax and, just penalize the manufacturers and stuff, which help gun owners in this country when they're making these moves. They're looking long-term, people. So we have to look long-term. And with that said, with prices the way they are now, to ease prices, a lot of these companies are building, making moves and stuff. And again, they've been incentivized from the other states because they're going in, helping the community, providing jobs and stuff, which is a good thing. So with that said, we're going to go over a couple companies and stuff. We're going to focus on one particular when it comes to dividends. Now, dividends, if you don't know, a lot of these companies pays a dividend just by holding the stock every quarter. Some pay annually, however the case may be. But every 3 months, every quarter, there are 4 quarters in a year, but every quarter, these company pays a dividend. And so right now, we're going to go over some of the 2A stocks that pays dividends. So right now, just to name a few on the list, right now we have Olin Corp. Olin Corp pays a 1.61% dividend. And we have, which is pretty much, I think it's 80 cents annually or something like that. Depends on how many, based on the shares and stuff. And so we have Smith & Wesson. Smith & Wesson pays a dividend too. I think it pays 20 cents annually or something. It all depends, but they pay a 0.92% dividend. So, based on, how many shares and stuff or whatever you got, whatever. But we're going to focus on one in particular, very iconic, pays a good, healthy dividend and everything. So right now, we're going to talk about Stern Ruger, ticker symbol RGR. Now, when it comes to dividends, Ruger has been paying a dividend for a long time, and it's a good dividend. Right now, Ruger pays $3.44 annually, and it pays a 4.32% dividend. That's a good dividend right there, people. And they've been paying it pretty steady and everything. So we're going to look at Ruger chart right now. And so we're looking at a chart. What you're looking at is their dividend history. Now, we went back to February 21, 2019. So we went back so you can see their quarterly dividend that they've been paying out. And so, we're seeing they paid 28 cents, and you can see it goes up and down. They paid a big one right here in 2020, people. They paid right here in July the 29th. They paid $5, people. $5. That was a 24.8% yield. That is good. And see, this is where you start making your money just by holding the stock and riding it out, just holding it. And they're paying you a good dividend based on your shares and stuff like that. Now, for instance, we can see that May 5th, 2021, they paid a dividend of 86 cents per share, which is a 4.95% dividend. Now, if we do the math, if you had 50 shares and they pay you 80 cents a share, you pretty much made $43 right there. So just by holding it for your 50 shares, you'd have been paid $43. That's almost bought you another share of Ruger, people. I'm talking about that is awesome right there. You almost got another share, and that keeps compounding and adding up and stuff like that. And if you got a whole bunch of shares, that's even more money you're gonna make in dividends and stuff. And so this is another way, and you don't have to. You can reinvest this back into the company, have it reinvested. Depends on how your investment broker stuff. You got it set up for reinvestment. This is go back into the company that you know Ruger, and it'll keep compounding and growing. Or you can have it to cash out into your brokerage account, and that's $43 right there that you can cash out and go buy you a box of ammo right at, that's right, $43 right at, that's probably get you a box of ammo right there. So it's all depends on what you want to do, and based on how many shares you got, you get more money. And so this is another aspect of the two-way business that a lot of people don't talk about and everything, because we have two-way business that pays dividends and stuff. And we talked about the growth aspect, but when you look at the dividend, they're just extra, people. And so there's many ways, I keep saying, that you can make money with the two-way businesses and stuff like that. And we have this administration that's coming down on firearms and ammo and stuff like that. The demand is huge. It's gonna keep growing. You still got new people keep constantly coming off the fence and stuff. Protection and security and stuff is huge in this country right now. And plus, we have administration for the next few years is gonna keep coming down on firearms and ammo. So you got a good while for the growth to continue and stuff, people. So with that said, this is one way that you can make money when it comes to firearms and ammo and stuff like that. But a lot of people hear about the tech stocks and stuff, and some of these companies, right now the two-way business has been outperforming the tech companies and stuff. And this is the secret. A lot of investors don't talk about them too much. I don't see them on a lot of your financial channels a lot like that. But there are pretty much a lot of investors piling into this, people. I'm talking about they keeping this like a secret, and they're making a killing. I'm talking about even today, while the market is pretty much down a little bit, a lot of your two-way business are up. That seems like that's been pretty much been the run when it comes to that. I'm gonna pop something up here to show you. But when the market is down today, all these companies I just named, they're up. And so this is what's going on, people. This is what's going on when it comes to your two-way business and stuff like that. And like I said, with the demand of firearm ammo consistently every single day, 24/7, online, offline, people are buying firearms and ammo, parts and accessories and stuff. So there's many other companies that I've been looking at and stuff like that we're going to talk about. But to name a few, these are some of the ones that's pretty much, tried and true, been around for a long time, been through the crashes and just been through all the market turmoil and stuff, and they still stick out and everything. So with that said, people, I hope that you learned something and everything. We always learn over here. So this is DC Channel Guns. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.